Right guys, this is the video on what the original number plate lights look like. So it's just the standard factory fitted lights. And obviously I'll be fitting the new ones in, the LED ones, and we'll see what difference that make. Hello guys, so this is the set that I bought of the LED units for the number plate lights. So that's what you get in the box pretty much. That's the unit itself. You got two of them. And you got this little box here which is supposed to draw enough power so you don't get the warning light on your dash, because on their own they're not drawing enough current, so your vehicle would think that there is an issue with the bulb that it's out. So all you have to do is pretty much plug it in. That's nice and easy, and it goes in one way. There's that one done. Same to the other one. So it only goes in one way. That's it. So that's them ready. Plug it at the back. That one in. The other one in. Now they're ready. And to get the old ones out, as you can see they're in there. We've got a little pin there that you push in and just get them out like that and unplug. Same on the other side. You can see, squeeze that in and they pop out easy. So now you just have to unplug it by pressing that in. Set it up. Unplugged. The new one's in. Plugged in. That one. Get all the wiring in there. Spin back in. All the wiring in there. Span up. Sets them both inside. And let's try them out. There you go. And they're working. God, that is definitely a lot more brighter. I'm gonna do another video at night time so you can see the difference, like they were before and what they are like now. But yeah, that is definitely a lot brighter now. That looks very good. I'm well happy with that. Right, thank you very much for watching guys. I'll be doing another video at night. Right guys, I've installed the lights today and I'm going to show you what they look like now. So there you go. That is quite nice white bright light coming from them now. I'm quite happy with that. It looks all good. So yeah, that's it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, like my video, and comment below if you need any more help. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day. Bye.